Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siska Lisnawati. I am from the Management Study Program. I would like to present my internship report at Human Resource Department at PT Nusantara Regas. The first is place of execution. I did an internship at PT Nusantara Regas. The address in Wisma Nusantara, MH Tamrin Street, nomor 59, RT 5, RW 9, Menteng, Kecamatan Menteng, Sentral Jakarta City, Special Region of Jakarta. There is a phone number, email, and websites. Second, and the next is activity process. The first is preparation. The preparation stage is the first stage of the implementation of internship. After receiving information that PT Nusantara Regas open internship vacancies, I began to prepare all the requirements needed. There is proposal, CV, and a list of transcript GPA. After that, I submitted to the Google Drive. And then the next is implementation. I was accepted to do an internship at PT Nusantara Regas. The internship was carried out from 3 February until 3 August with a hybrid work system, is work from home and work from office. The working hour is from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. And the last is reporting. This is the last stage of the internship. I collect data and compile report during the internship until it's finished. And the next is company history and vision mission. PT Nusantara Regas was established on April 40, 2010 as a subsidiary of Badan Usaha Milik Negara or BUMN, which is joint venture between PT Pertamina Persero and PT Perusahaan Gas Negara Persero. The background of the establishment of PT Nusantara Gas is based on the use of natural gas for domestic needs as a substitute for fuel that cannot be optimized because the infrastructure for receiving liquefied petroleum gas is not yet available. And PT Nusantara Gas has a vision to become a world-class company in the field of natural gas supply, while the mission of PT Nusantara Gas is to provide natural gas to meet and satisfy customer needs and create added value for stakeholder. And this is organizational structure for PT Nusantara Gas. This is organizational structure consists of 5 divisions. And I was placed in the HR and General Division, which oversees the HR department where I did my internship. The Human Resource Department function to manage the preparation of organizational and position design, employee recruitment, placement process, and etc. This is a business field of PT Nusantara Regas. The first is procurement of floating storage and regasification terminal or FSRT facilities. And the second is procurement of LNG supply source both from within and outside the country. The third is procurement of vessel needs and selection of carrier vessel to transport LNG. And the next is ensure the management and maintenance of the FSRT facilities. And then selling regasified gas to buyers. And then the last is provide LNG storage and regasification LNG. There is a work execution. The first is making flyers for training activities and sharing knowledge. Making flyer for training activities and knowledge. The first step is before making the flyer, I was given the information regarding what should be in the flyer, including the name, the activity, the time of activities, the platform, and the speaker. And the next, I started to design flyer with Canva application. Here are the design that I made. This is pay office training for management flyer, and this is pay office training for user batch 2 flyer, and this is the one, and the second is flyer for Akhlak Talks. This is flyer for knowledge sharing, and the last is flyer for training need analysis open clinic, and there is Canva application. After finishing the flyer design, I asked for approval from the HR department employee on whether the employee was appropriate or not. If the flyer is eligible, then the flyer can be published immediately. But if the flyer is not visible, then I will revise the flyer again. And then the publication of flyer carried on out by employees of the HR department who are responsible for these activities, and the flyer was distributed to a WhatsApp group containing the employee of PT Nusantara Gas. The second is make a report of the implementation of organizational culture of PT Nusantara Gas. The first step is I did was open the result of the questionnaire answer on the Google form that the employee helped fill out. After that, I downloaded the file that was uploaded by the employee. The file contained evidence that the employees had implemented the Akhlak culture. And then the next step is I rename the file with the format program code number underscore culture program name underscore employee name. And then I put the file into a folder based on the division name. And the next is I made a report on implementation of organizational culture in the form of a PowerPoint presentation. This is an example, the report, and the report contains the name of program. This is the program. The name is sharing, and the description. This is the description, and then the time of each report is classified based on the type of program. One is the classified program. After the report was made, I recapitulated to knowledge sharing realization from by entering the NPC of the employee who was the resource person, sharing the date, period, topic, employee work unit, and from which the directorate the employee came. And the last is when I finish, I merged the implementation report file and the sharing realization form. The third is manage the administration of intern allowance. The first step is I did was open the apprehensive validation from PT Nusantara Gas, applies the present system online on the web for employee and intern. This is the an example. The next, I started to recap attendance by entering the WFH, WFO or holidays information in the validation form into the Excel form and counting the number of absence that had been done, besides counting the number of holiday, WFH, and WFO. After the number attendance was known, I started to calculate amount of allowance paid. Enter the nominal amount of allowance paid into the file payment details of pocket money. This is the form payment details of pocket money. The next, I process the appraisance allowance payment by making a payment confirmation sheet or LP3 by filling in some information for the amount of the bill written based on the total amount of the appraisance allowance contained in the allowance payment detail file. And the next step is I do the process of system application and processing, or SAP. The SAP is used for generate purchase requisition, purchase order, service acceptance, which will later be submitted to the finance division. In addition, I also complete the document for processing allowance payments by attaching several attachments. There is a detail of allowance payments, a recap of attendance, PR, PO, and SA. After that, all attachments are put together and asked for approval the head of HR department, and then after being approved, asked for approval from the head of the HR and general division. The next, I fill out all the payment process sheet and pull it together with the entire file. In addition, I also write the payment that will be processed by finance department in a general ledger. This is general ledger. Then all documents are sent to the finance department for processing. And the next is digital archiving of employee health administration document. The first step things is to do open the folder containing this document and classify by the month and mark them in the form of sticky notes with month and year description. This is an example. And the next step is I start which document should be scanned and which is not. After that, I scan the document. After scanning the document, the result on the scan are received by the selected device. And then I classify the document by month and rename the file with the caption invoice admedica _name. And the last step is document that have been scanned can be destroyed. This is the destroyed process. And next is managing organizational procedures, TKO document. PT Nusantara Gas in implementing the process providing disciplinary action and company disciplinary sanction to worker use TKO. Over time, TKO at PT Nusantara Gas has changed. I was given the task of managing document TKO that have been updated. Besides that, I was also asked to complete the attachment contained in TKO. The first step is I do to the read and understand the context of the TKO. Besides that, I also analyze what needs to be edited. And then the next step is I started to edit the document. This first image, is example of the edited file, which includes improvement to numbering and spacing. In addition, I made an attachment to the TKO. This is the example, which is a flowchart for giving warnings. The next is obstacle encountered. I have two obstacle encountered. There is a disappointed workload. During the 6 months of internship, which was carried out by work from office and work from home, I often felt that the assignment were not routine. So I would feel busy at one time and feel free to another time. And the second is unclear job description. I was not given a list of job description at the beginning of the internship. In the absence of a job description, I feel confused about what tasks I had to do during the internship activities. The next is how to overcome obstacle. There are is balancing the workload given. I balance my workload by adjusting the work assigned to me When I given too many tasks, I ask for a longer deadline. And when I not given assignment, I ask the mentor for assignment. And the next is improve communication with mentor. I overcome the obstacle by every time I finish doing work. I always ask my mentor what work I should do next. The next is conclusion. The conclusion, practitioners are able to make flyers for training activities and sharing knowledge in accordance with the standards of PT Nusantara Regas. And the practitioner is able to make a report on the implementation of PT Nusantara Regas organizational culture. The third is practitioner is able to manage the administration of allowance at PT Nusantara Regas. And the fourth is the practitioner is able to manage the administration of interns allowance at PT Nusantara Regas. And then the practitioners are able to manage organizational work procedure or TKO documents. The last is documentation. There are the documentation when I during the internship. The first picture and the second picture is when I doing my work, and the next picture is the workplace, and this is the for saving file, and the last picture is documentation with HR department. And that's all for me. I'm sorry if there's a mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.